Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for internship or a QA engineer or a software engineer job as entry level, you can apply for this job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Herman and it's hiring for Java intern for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this job description of job. We are looking for software engineering intern for take a part of the software development life cycle to and involve a POC work. So responsibilities that to take a part of coding and troubleshooting, to take a part of on unit testing and integration testing. Requirement is that degree of computer science, similar discipline, knowledge of Java and OOPS concept, basics understanding of SDLC, agile, experience of troubleshooting problem, good communication skills, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for these jobs, you have to just click here apply and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Jima IT Consulting Private Limited for QA analyst or software tester for Jaipur location. So let's talking about this roles and responsibilities. So collaborate with the software developer for other team and member of understanding project requirement and the specification, design and execute test case and ensure the quality reusability software application, document and track system of a defect and the issue of using bug tracking system, perform regression and unit testing of verify bug fixes and maintain product stability, communicate and the result of finding the development of the stakeholder. So requirement is that those who have done a bachelor degree of computer science, engineering or related field can apply. Familiarity with the basics programming concept of language like Python, Java, C++, OOPS, Angular, .NET or C#, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the jobs, you have to just click here apply and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from LSEG and it's hiring for software engineer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about these roles and responsibilities. So develop knowledge of understanding of technology of LSEG, utilize this the own scope of the work and the other as well as build a solution autonomous write clean efficient code based on the specification to develop complete solution of occasionally utilizing multiple language of the technology and handle the own work load and promotes open exclusive culture, build knowledge of software development and utilize knowledge within work. And all these things you have to know. And those who have a professional qualification of equivalent solid understanding of at least one programming language, the ecosystem of the some knowledge of the patterns and previous experience of software development and delivery role. And all these things you have to know. And how to apply for these jobs, you have to just click here apply and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job. Next job is coming from Rockstar Game and it's hiring for development support for audio for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this what we'll do. So the award winning Rockstar Audio and the combine for audio discipline, design and the implementation of sound, music and dialogues technology as well as content of the game. And let's talking about this responsibility. So add audio cues and animation of according to the sound design specification, coordinate with the sound design request addition for the cues of the required, implement dialogue into the game of diagnose of the correct audio, visualize synchronization issue in the scope. And all these things you have to know. And daily and or weekly status report, quality assurance of new audio tools of in game of functionally in the content. And those who have done a bachelor's degree in sound of engineering, audio production or other relevant discipline or equivalent experience can apply. And skills required for experience using audio software such as Rappers, Pro Tools and music sound production. And all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so once you just scroll down, so this application page will open. So you have to just fill all this form and after that you have to submit the application. So so this is all about this. And in this video we have talked about 4 different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to miss any update. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section, I help you. So thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye.